The patented Carl's Garage Bungee Transmission Catchulator 3000. Check it out. My niece has got me a package of bungee cords for Christmas, and I wanted to show them that I'm putting them to good use. We got everything disconnected from the transmission besides the 4 bolts on the bottom. We're ready to run it. Let's go. This is not an incredibly large transmission. It's not small or light either. Let's say you're in the garage by yourself. You want to drop a transmission, but you're kind of worried you might drop it on yourself. Just hook a bunch of bungees up to solid stuff on the suspension and frame and lift or whatever, and run it. Ooh, easy, darling. Hey Jamie, you want to see something really cool?
What's up?
Hey, give me your professional opinion on this. Do I have enough bungees? Do you think it'll hold this little transmission?
Only one way to find out.
Well, I'd hate for it to fall on the ground and crack the case or my feet. At least I'm not gonna die, I don't think.
It'll be alright.
You'll be alright? Give a little, I mean, the shaft's almost out of the clutch.
Oh my god.
No.
Done.
You know?
Would you like a hand? Is this what you're asking me?
What do you think? What do you think? Should, like, maybe at least have a hand on the tail shaft when it breaks free, because it will hit on this cross member before it completely weight comes down on it. Once it hits the cross member, I'll lower the vehicle, scoop the trans out from the bungees. Take the bungees off, it touches the floor, vehicle goes back up. Genius. Maybe one ratchet strap.
You better off with that.
One ratchet strap.
Or
Just one.
thinnest one you can find.
I got some in here.
So. Alright, I'm gonna cut my nasty ass toenails.
Alright.
Let me know if you really need help.
Well, you'll hear me scream if I do. Oh, I do. Feel a lot better now. Ah, beautiful. Oh, cradles are like a basket. Let's go. Coming down. We'll let that transmission just kiss the floor. I want to take that ratchet strap off before anything else. There we go. Ratchet strap's off. Bring it back down some more. just hovering a couple inches off the ground. There we go, that's as far down as we can go. It's fine for the control arms to start coming up. Now we just take the bungee straps off, one by one, going around the vehicle. And we can easily reach these from where I have them positioned. If I take them off one by one, it will gently soften that transmission onto the concrete. I suppose if I would have put the tire down, that would have been good thinking. All right, I think I reached enough of the bungee cords. Time to go up. Just got that blue bungee that's just hooked on there just a little bit. Oh, it's good. You can see right down here, all bungees are starting to stretch a little bit and are moving the transmission. That's the noises that you heard. Loose, 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 loose. Ah, that guy got hooked right there. That's the culprit. And this one is pinched on the lift. I need to release this green bungee. I'll just take my pry bar right where it's hooked. Give it a little pry. There we go. Thought I got all the fluid out, but I didn't. There's a little left. Perfect. All right, guys, I have applied this technique to fuel tanks that I'm dropping many times, but I never thought about doing the transmission this way, all by myself. And that's pretty cool. I'm a goddamn genius.